In this video, I'm going to show you the recent update to GrowthWheel Online. We know how important it is for WBCs and SBDCs to collect their clients' 641 information for training sessions in addition to counseling sessions. To register a client for training, have them complete the new training intake form. This form ensures you gather all the necessary details for accurate reporting to SBA. Just like the intake form, you can share this link or embed it on your training site, copying it directly from your profile settings under the intake form menu. Once clients are registered, you can easily identify those who have signed up solely for training events. These clients will appear under the new training menu, separate from your counseling clients. If any of your existing counseling clients register using the training intake form, they will remain in their current client list. This ensures that your counseling and training only clients are not mixed up, keeping your records organized. Whenever a client, whether new or existing, submits a training intake form, a training tag will automatically be added to their profile. This helps you quickly identify clients involved in training events. And if a training only client registers for counseling, they will automatically be transferred from the training menu to the pre-client tab, so an advisor can contact them about their counseling request. We hope this update helps you collect all the necessary information for your training clients and properly identify them on your client list. Thanks for watching.